Alright, today's the day. We're finally replacing the radiator and the coolant lines. So check it out. These are the brand new coolant pipes and the radiator. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're under the van. It's really hard to tell right now. This is the old radiator, and it is pretty much completely rusted out because of it leaking. But basically, just to remove it, I gotta take out these. I gotta detach it from farther up, and then obviously take out these little supports for the spare tire. And then once it's loosened up from everything, besides unplugging it from obviously your coolant lines and your fan electronics, it should just wiggle its way down. Super spin inside here. What else?
Alright, so there was fluid in there.
The noise you made, though. That does stink, though.
You good?
Yeah. It does stink.
Got those 6 bolts and the fan back over.
And there she is. That wasn't too bad. It's just a little gross. I don't even know if that fan works, so
Test on battery.
we'll find it out.
Just hot and ground.
Alright, so we took the fan off of the old radiator, and then we just got to bolt it to the back of the new one. And she should be set to slide back in there. We did test the fan. It does work, so we're good there. Alright, so we're taking off the coolant lines right now. Getting rid of these rusty metal things, these shitty red lines, and replacing it with those stainless steel ones. This has been quite the adventure. The new electric jack in there? Or are we going to do that after? Oh, we have to do that after.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Can you reach from there?
Yeah, make sure I don't have any wires in the way.
Good. No, not good. Very good. Okay. Shuffle. Okay. Alright, I got it.
Are you seated in the,
the receiver? Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
It's all you.
Yeah, it's pretty light when there's no water, no rust and water in it.
Definitely help.
Alright, so now we're routing the stainless steel lines. The advertising for these lines say that you don't need to drop the tank, so we're assuming it goes on that little side channel over there and not the main one where the old lines used to be. That's from the guy before. He just chopped them off and routed some rubber lines around the tank. So we'll see if we can get them to fit right there. Right now we're just kind of playing a game of cat and mouse to see which one goes where and how they hook up, because there was no instructions that came with the package at all. So we're just kind of winging it. Alright, I'm pushing.
Keep going. Lined up.
Oh, jeez. It's like flying all over.
Alright, so what we got?
Does it work?
Yeah, we got plenty.
Okay, cool. I'll drop it. Well, from digging around underneath, I found out that these lines have been cut and just looped back to themselves, so this thing doesn't work. So we can just eat that bad boy out of here. Now I have this great big open space where that should be, so that'd be prime real estate for my RV toilet. Alright, so we're calling it quits for today. It's getting, I don't know if you can see it, it's getting cold out, and we're babies, so. We're going to pick up again later this week and hopefully have it finished. It turns out we need to probably drop the gas tank because the previous owner who just chopped the old coolant lines to put in the rubber ones left them above the gas tank, and that's the channel we need to run these stainless steel lines through the right way. So that's going to take a little bit more effort on our part, so we're going to hop back in on that a little later this week. So let's time travel. 3, 2, 1. Alright, welcome back. A couple days later, we got some jacks and jack stands so we can lower the gas tank. That way we can take out all the old coolant lines, take those back out through that way, and bring them through here so we can hook it right up to the rest of it. And that should be about all we have to do for the coolant system. So let's see if we can lower this gas tank any.
It's not moving.
It's coming slowly. Alright, that's giving us some room on the back side here.
It's stuck. Do you want to shimmy it a little bit? See if it's
Guard or rust on there that's holding it up?
Oh, there's a lip right here. Yeah, there's a lip. So it would have to slide back.
Slide back, which there isn't. It would only be able to slide back if we took these out. We'd have to take these out to slide this backwards down. But maybe just that alone will be enough room that I can look up in there, see if you can see what's going on. Hey, they're starting to move at least. Let me go to the other side. Okay, I see. In fact, I don't even think we needed to do that, honestly. They're just, there's a metal band holding them on up here. So if I get this metal band off, they should just be able to come right out.
Oh, and then it's just, there's a Phillips. If you could grab me sorry.
Well, we can, to take out the main pipes?
Yeah, and then that Phillips will take the other clamp off.
Oh, easy enough. Can this just pull straight out then? Watch your eyes. Nice. There's snakes under my van. Okay, so a Phillips.
Yeah, I'll grab it.
So joke was on us. We didn't even have to lower the gas tank. But at least I know how to. It's not that hard. And then yeah, we should be able to just reuse that clamp for the new ones. Yeah, you can slide them on back to me. Or maybe pushing the other way, I don't know, which is easier. I'll go to the other side. Well, there's a lot of rust and dirt inside the old coolant lines.
That's one.
So that's why I was replacing them. 2,
You
6.
want to start putting the stones in now?
Yeah, if we want to.
Yeah, sure. Is there?
Yep, right through there.
So this one is the one that's going to go towards the outside of the car?
Okay, it's hitting the floor of the van. You gotta kind of angle it down. There you go. Okay. All right, it's through.
And then the second one. That'll go on the inside of this one.
Yep. All right, gotta angle it down again. All right, come on. Okay. All right.
Push.
Yeah. Boom.
Yeah, they look good here, man. Like,
Cool. We'll see if they're
oh yeah.
how they line up with those rubber hoses.
Yeah. Here, y'all, you come look at that. That's
Alright, so then this one, they'll have to come back this way a little bit, but yeah, I don't think it really fucking matters which, well, it does. We just got to make sure we have the send line and the return line hooked up to the same hose on the other side.
yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, a brand new coolant line, stainless steel, mostly installed. Yeah. Look at that, baby. Oh.
Am I in the way?
Oh no, I'm in the way. I'm blocking the light. Oh yeah. With a brand new radiator, we should be all set to go. My buddy JC, so glad he came over to help me finish that up. This is 6C10. JC Transport. Look at this. LS swapped everything. It's clean, man. Looks real good. Maybe we'll get an interview sometime. We'll see how he did it. Alright, so that's pretty much the entire coolant system. The only thing we have to do to finish it up is put in the sensor that's in the radiator. We have to go get a giant Allen wrench to be able to get the cap that's in there out. That's the only thing holding me up. And then just gotta flush it a few times, make sure it's clean, and the coolant system should be done. So we replaced the radiator. There goes JC and his C10. We replaced the radiator, replaced the lines, replaced all the sensors, replaced the tank and the expansion line. Yeah, so that's pretty much a whole new coolant system in there. So hopefully we'll no longer have any overheating issues. Probably won't be able to find out for a while because I still can't drive it. I got to get new tires and brakes. Yeah, so pretty stoked that we finally got that project done. Now I can move on to other things. The biggest thing next is probably going to be cutting out that rust hole and then starting the interior of the van. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Take it easy.